Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to demystify some of the technical jargon that the cryptocurrency community throws around. Let's jump in. Rick, a Swedish pirate party leader, once said, Bitcoin will do to banks what email did to the postal industry. We have a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a secure method of storing your cryptocurrency completely offline. Many cold wallets, also called hardware wallets, are physical devices that look similar to a USB drive. This kind of wallet can help protect your crypto from hacking and theft, though it also comes with its own risks like losing it along with your crypto. Digital gold. Digital gold experts sometimes compare specific cryptocurrencies to real gold based on the way it can store and increase in value. Bitcoin is commonly referred to as a digital gold. An exchange. It's a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Fork. When a blockchain's user makes changes to its rules, these changes to the protocol of a blockchain often results in two new parts. One part that follows the old rules and a new blockchain that splits off from the previous one. A gas is a fee that developers have to pay to the Ethereum network in order to use the system. Gas is paid in Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum. A Genesis block. Genesis block is the first block of a cryptocurrency ever mined. HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life. Though the term originated from a user typo on a Bitcoin forum in 2013, it refers to a passive investment strategy in which people buy and hold on to cryptocurrency instead of trading it, in the hopes that it increases in value. Halving. It's a feature written into Bitcoin's code in which after a certain number of blocks are mined, typically every 4 years, the amount of new Bitcoin entering circulation gets halved. The halving can have an impact on Bitcoin's price. A hash. It's a unique string of numbers and letters that identify blocks and are tied to crypto buyers and sellers. A hot wallet is a software-based cryptocurrency wallet connected to the internet. While more convenient for quickly accessing your crypto, these wallets are a bit more susceptible to hacking and cybersecurity attacks than offline wallets. Just as files you store in the cloud may be more easily hacked than those locked in a safe in your home. We have ICO. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering, a way that funds are raised for a new cryptocurrency project. ICOs are similar to initial public offerings of stocks. Market capitalization. For cryptocurrency, market cap refers to the total value of all the coins that have been mined. You can calculate a crypto's market cap by multiplying the current number of coins by the current value of the coins. Mining is a process whereby new cryptocurrency coins are made available and the log of transactions between users is maintained. A node. A node is a computer that connects to a blockchain network. Then we have peer-to-peer, two users interacting directly without a third party or intermediary. Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is the creator of Bitcoin. No one knows the true identity of Nakamoto or if it's more than one person. A stable coin or a digital fiat. Before I continue, let me explain what fiat means in the financial circles. Fiat is a Latin word which means let it be, not to confuse it with the Italian car model. A stable coin pegs its value to some other non-digital currency or commodity. A digital fiat represents a fiat or a government-backed currency on the blockchain. Example, Ether, that which is pegged to the US dollar. Vitalik Buterin is a programmer who invented Ethereum in 2015. A bag holder. A bag holder is someone sells their stock to someone else at a high price and then the value of the stock drops. The person they have sold it to is a bag holder. That is, they are holding the bag of stock while the price plummets. buy the dip. Place the trades where the price is down on the assumption that it will rebound soon enough. Often used by people who are permanently bullish on a particular stock or cryptocurrency. Regardless of what's happening, not to be taken too seriously, the expression is a meme in and of itself. Diamond hands. An investor who holds on to a stock or cryptocurrency regardless of the risks, headwinds, or losses to get to an end goal. Often used to call on a group's collective strength to get through hell or high water. FU fund. The F word U fund. It's a savings pool that people can use to fall back on if they want to quit their job. Gains or loss porn. These are screenshots of stocks or cryptocurrency trades that show extremely gains or losses shared in online platforms. Long as a pattern. Being very bullish or having an excessively large holding in a single company with no regard to risk, often a speculative or penny stock company. Then we have no coiner. No coiner stands for someone who does not own any cryptocurrency. Paper hands. An investor who is seeking the same goal as someone with diamond hands, but instead is quick to sell a stock or cryptocurrency at the first sign of trouble. A FOMO. FOMO, the term, stands for fear of missing out. This occurs when investors flock to an asset expecting it will rise in value without doing much necessary research. Derived from this is the opposite of JOMO, which stands for joy of missing out. This refers to the sense of joy of the non-believers when the asset price crashes. Getting caught up in FOMO can lead one to fall victim to market manipulation. Buying an asset because it has recently enjoyed some notable upside usually ends up in selling the asset for a much lower price, which is also termed as sodding. Satoshi or Sats. The Satoshi is currently the smallest unit of the Bitcoin currency recorded on the blockchain. It is 100 millionth of a single Bitcoin, normally written as 0. Then followed by 7 zeros and a 1. The unit has been named in collective homage to the original creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Then we have a noob. Newcomers or newbies into trading are referred to as noobs. If you are a noob, stay away from risky assets. Observe the market and understand the business unless you want to be a bag holder. Airdrop. Airdrop is a term that belongs to the world of crypto. This refers to the distribution of tokens to people to promote their use and popularity. Tokens are distributed free of cost. However, to receive tokens, the recipient usually has to fulfill certain requirements like referring new users, filling surveys, posting on social media, taking part in games, polls, etc. BIP stands for Bitcoin Improvement Proposals. A set of proposals that members of the Bitcoin community have submitted to improve Bitcoin. For example, BIP 0021 is a proposal to improve the Bitcoin URI scheme. Then we have BTFD, which means buy the effing word deep. When people are running around and selling because of fear, this is the time to buy. That's the BTFD meaning in crypto world bullish. An upward trend. Then we have buy the rumor, sell the news. This means if you hear a positive rumor about a cryptocurrency, it can be a great time to buy. It also means that it is generally not a great move to wait too long after an event has occurred to sell, if your goal is short-term profit. In fact, if you might even want to take profit on a high before the event occurs to be safe. In the stock market world, we used to say, buy on a rumor, sell on a fact. Then you have bots. Crypto trading bots are automated software programs that automatically buy and sell cryptocurrencies on exchanges following users' setup commands. BYOB, be your own bank, alluding to the fact that cryptocurrency holders can act like independent financial entity, equally capable of transacting, storing, lending, or investing their money as an unofficial bank. Confirmations. Once a transaction is included in a block, it has one confirmation. As soon as another block is mined on the same blockchain, the transaction has two confirmations, etc. 6 or more confirmations is considered sufficient proof that a transaction cannot be reversed. A core wallet, a wallet that contains the whole blockchain and most of the time delivers tools to give developers the ability to program in or on the blockchain. dApps, applications written in the blockchain, which means it's a decentralized application. Difficulty, it's a network-wide setting that controls how much computation is required to find a proof of work. Difficulty target, difficulty at which all the computation in the network will find blocks approximately every 10 minutes. Difficulty retargeting, network-wide calculation of the difficulty which occurs once every 2106 blocks, and consider the hashing power of the previous 2106 blocks. FOLE means fear of losing everything. No rationale behind one selling, but fear of losing even more money than they already lost. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. In the world of crypto, FUD means spreading fear, uncertainty, or doubt about certain blockchain projects. Public key basically is your wallet. A private key, the key to open your wallet. Proof of stake, verification of the blockchain is done by wallet addresses with a certain amount of coins. The more coins means the more authority and computing power for verifying the blockchain. Proof of work is roughly a method where blockchain transactions are verified with computing power. Then we have wrecked. The term wrecked is the millennial slang for wrecked. It means that a trader has blown up substantial amounts of money. A reward, an amount included in each new block as a reward by the network to the miner who found the proof of work. It is currently 12.5 BTC per block. A Satoshi is the smallest part of a Bitcoin. Normally one Satoshi is 0 point, then followed by 7 zeros and a 1. A shield, the act of unsolicited endorsing of the coin in public. Traders who bought a coin as an interest in shilling the coin in hopes of igniting public's interest in that particular coin. Then we have 51% attack. When more than half of the computing power of a cryptocurrency network is controlled by a single entity or group, this entity or group may issue conflicting transactions to harm the network, should they have the malicious intent to do so. Thank you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more presentation. The next presentation, I think I'm going to focus on robo-advisors, metaverse, and high-frequency trading. Thank you. Bye-bye.